Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes and week 3 of It's Not a Faux Pas, it's just faux leather and faux suede. So yes, this is my third week doing this. This is how much faux leather and faux suede I have, although last week was a shorter week. All right, so let me stand up so I can show you my outfit. All right, I am just wearing a blank NYC Moto that I got from Nordstrom Rack probably last year. It's like in a burnt orange cognac brown family. I have it paired with this black ribbed sweater that I got from Stitch Fix. It's by Pink, and look, it has the cute crossback detail back there as well. Although you don't see it because my sweater jacket here covers it up. And I have it paired with a pair of black distress, who are these by? Just Black jeans that I got in a mix and match a while ago. And, you know, I like these jeans. Originally, I was like, oh, they don't fit me right. They kind of feel funny. But I think I lost enough weight that they fit okay now, although they're still doing that zipper pull thing there. So just a couple more pounds, I think. I got this inspiration I've been watching a lot of, going through Pinterest a lot, and I've been seeing a lot of camel and black together and brown and black together. So I kind of wanted to put this outfit together. And with it, I'll pan down, I have my leopard shoes. They're from Nordstrom's and they're BP, my leopard booties, okay? So that is my outfit today. I hope you enjoyed it and stay tuned for another outfit for tomorrow. Hello everyone. Welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So time kind of got away from me. I was filming some other things today, plus I was working my real job, and I forgot to show you my outfit. So let me stand up. Sorry for the poor lighting. It is after dark now. So today's outfit was inspired by this Pinterest. What happened was when I showed my jean collection, my friend Shannon said, "Do you already cut from the cloth jeans?" So I said, I do. They're just not blue jeans. So these jeans are cut from the cloth. I bought them on myself, I think from Nordstrom. I got a pretty good deal on them. They were on clearance. And I was like, what should I style them with? Because I always just style them with a plain black sweater. So I looked on Pinterest and I saw navy blue shirt, or denim shirt, chambray shirt, and a black moto jacket. I said, I have that. It never occurred to me to pair these two together. Mind blown, you would wear a leopard top with denim, so why can't you wear a denim top with leopard pants? You know, why not do the reverse? So here I am. This is my outfit today. I have my Vince Camuto booties on, okay? And that's my outfit. Take care and see you tomorrow for another faux pas. Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes, and it's not a faux pas, but it's faux leather and faux suede. So today I have this like fake sweater dress. So this is not actually a sweater dress, it's an actual sweater because it's cut up too high as like a wrap style. So you would have to wear pants underneath it. I got this from my trunk club, it's Aster the label. With it, I have some faux leather Spanx leggings. These are the traditional, not to be confused with the Liverpool ones that I wore that are lizard embossed, and not to be confused with the Spanx ones that are moto style. These are just the plain original faux leather Spanx. With that, I have my Vince Camuto short booties, which probably are not a good choice because you can kind of see my socks down here at the bottom. But that's what I have on. And I have on a necklace here that I got from Kendra Scott as part of my birthday present to myself. And this is my outfit for today. See you tomorrow for It's Not a Faux Pas. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. And it's not a faux pas, it's just faux suede and faux leather. So after doing this series, this is like my third week doing this, I realized I have way too much faux leather and faux suede. Today's outfit is extremely casual and it's quite boring. I didn't even put any jewelry on, no makeup. Well, I never wear makeup except for eyeliner and mascara. And yeah, got nothing on, just a sweater and the bottoms. And I am being very casual at home today. So, but it's still the faux leather. So today I have on a loft sweater. It's a sweater tunic. and a pair of faux suede leggings that I got from Stitch Fix Freestyle. They're by Tribal. Extremely soft, extremely comfortable, not form-fitting at all. They're actually rather loose. I've worn and washed these many times already, and I think they wash and wear well if you're interested in them. And this is my outfit for today. All right, stay tuned for It's Not a Faux Pas. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So today is my second to last day of my faux pas. So I am so happy to have said I think I've covered every faux suede and faux leather item in my wardrobe. So today's outfit, as I stand up to show you, it is, let me actually pan you up. You're panned down there. It is a Stitch Fix top by 9 Britain. I love this top. I think it is so pretty. It has like burnt orange / cognac flowers, has some like off-white and beige in here, and it's on a navy blue black background. And let me show you this. See how it's scalloped? It's scalloped all along here and along the edge up here. So pretty, all right? I have it paired with a cognac / burnt orange skirt from the Loft from a few years ago, and I have on a pair of navy tights that I also purchased from the Loft. And you know, I was looking at my brown booties, but brown booties kind of clashed with this, so I decided to go with my navy booties. I thought it kind of gave it one fell swoop. I was even looking at my riding boots, but the color just seemed a little bit off from the skirt, so I thought I'd better stick to navy to at least match the tights and the shirt. So I love this blouse. It's been a long time since I've worn it, and it's typically a blouse. This whole outfit is typically something I would wear in the fall, not this time of year. But I'm showcasing all my clothes. So it has an elasticized cuff. It's also tied here. It has an elasticized waist tied here, and it's stitched up here at the breast and down here at the waist. Letting you know that this I still occasionally see floating around Stitch Fix's inventory. I've also seen it in a dress style. So the same neckline as this, same banded waist, and then it goes down into a dress up to approximately like right above the knee. It is super cute. The other thing about this too, it does run a little small. This is my normal extra size, extra small. And I have to say, if I had the choice, I would have gone up to a small. Like, I didn't realize. I mean, it fits, but it's a little bit snug, to be honest with you. But yeah, it is really cute top. All right, here's the back of the outfit. Okay, and that's it. And tomorrow is our last day of It's Not a Faux Pas. It's just faux leather and faux suede. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my final episode of It's Not a Faux Pas. Or maybe it was, because I did purchase way too much faux leather and faux suede. So today I have on a pair of, and I'll stand up for you, black coated jeans that I've showed you before. This is what I was originally going to wear to that party I had to go to. But as you can see, I did not wear them. I ended up wearing a dress. And I wanted to wear these again, and I'm not going to do duplicates going forward in these series because I'm trying to wear all my clothes and not rewear things that I've already showed you and worn recently. But I wanted to say, okay, here's like yet another pair that I have. These are different than the brown pair I showed you in the first series because it has the pin tucking here, and they're black, not brown. And these have like little zippers on the side, as my socks show. All right, so this is really kind of tacky, but I'm home, and you can see my socks and my shoes. Typically, I would wear these with heels, but I did not wear heels today, or I would actually take the socks off and just wear the booties without the socks. But I'm home, and I was wearing my socks, and I wasn't thinking, and I just threw the shoes on. I wanted to wear this shirt with it, because it's a shirt that I haven't worn any recently, and it's more like a going out to dinner type of shirt. It has the sheer sleeves. It has like a bit of velvet here in the scroll work, so it's like I guess like what they call a burnout. It's sheer, but there is a tank underneath, so there's like 100% polyester tank underneath, and it ties on the side, and it's banded. So yeah, this is a pretty top. I like it. It's been a long time since I've worn it because we don't go too many places fancy or dinner out. Like when we go out to dinner, it typically ends up being like you know, Longhorn or our local diner. So this is the outfit, and this is what I wore at my last faux pas. So if you hung around with me for the series, I really appreciate it. I'm going to be doing another series of styling colored jeans, and I'm going to make sure, even if I have more jeans than I show you, I'm not going to duplicate something I've recently shown you, because my goal too is to touch all of my clothes and wear everything that has not been shown to you yet. Thank you again. Give me a thumbs up, click the notification bell, and if you haven't already, subscribe. Take care.